Hey crafty friends, I'm Trisha Morris from Club Scrap, and I'd like to invite you to join me for a fun volume event on January 29 and 30, where I'll be featuring the Club Scrap Zest for Life stamps and page kit. Now, we aren't going to be making pages with our page kit. I've got a really fun project for you where we utilize the papers, the photo mats, the ribbons, and all of the coordinating embellishments to make gifts for your main squeeze. So check out these adorable note card boxes with lids. So basically we'll create the structure using my clever trimming instructions that I'll provide to you on our workshop day. And then when the sleeve slides off, you'll be able to see inside each box a total of 8 really fun note cards. I've also incorporated, as I mentioned, a little bit of the stamp uses onto the cards, but for the most part, everything on the cards came right from the cut-aparts included in our page kit. These are super fun and would really bring a lot of cheer and happiness to anyone you gave them to if you can manage to part with them. So with the project, using one Zest for Life page kit makes 2 complete boxes if you follow my trimming instructions. And all of that will be available for you if you participate in our workshop together on January 29 and 30. Again, I'm Trisha from Club Scrap, and I hope to see you there.